If you don't like feeling sluggish but still want to lose weight, then you need to try Mitolyn. Ready to discover a game-changing way to lose weight naturally and feel amazing? If you've been struggling with weight loss and feeling like nothing works, you're not alone. Many people face the same challenges, but today, we have something truly special to share with you. Let me introduce you to Mitolyn, the revolutionary dietary supplement that focuses on your mitochondrial health to boost energy and burn fat efficiently. This isn't just another supplement, it's a breakthrough in how we approach weight loss and overall wellness. So, what sets Mitolyn apart from all the other weight loss products out there? Let's dive in. Unlike typical weight loss supplements that rely on harsh chemicals or stimulants, Mitolyn works with your body's natural processes. Your mitochondria are the powerhouses of your cells, responsible for producing the energy your body needs to function. They play a crucial role in how your body converts food into energy. Over time, factors like aging and lifestyle can slow them down, leading to fatigue, weight gain, and even mental fog. This slowdown can make it incredibly difficult to lose weight, no matter how hard you try. Mitolyn targets this root cause by enhancing mitochondrial function, giving you sustained energy and a better metabolism. Imagine having the energy to get through your day without feeling exhausted. And here's the best part. All the ingredients in Mitolyn are natural and plant-based. You can feel good about what you're putting into your body, knowing it's free from synthetic additives. No more relying on stimulants that give you jitters or appetite suppressants that leave you feeling deprived. Mitolyn offers a balanced approach that supports your overall health. Mitolyn offers a holistic approach to weight management by improving your body's ability to generate energy and burn fat. This means you can enjoy a more active lifestyle and feel great doing it. Don't just take my word for it. Mitolyn users rave about the benefits. Real people are experiencing real results, and their stories are truly inspiring. Amanda from Texas says she noticed a significant drop in her midsection fat within weeks, and she's never felt more energized. Her confidence has soared, and she loves the new her. And Sarah from California says her sleep quality has never been better, leaving her refreshed and ready to tackle each day. But wait, there's more. Improved sleep means better recovery and overall health. Mitolyn stands behind its product with a 100% money-back guarantee. There is guarantee of product so much that we want you to try it risk-free. Seriously, you have nothing to lose but those extra pounds. Imagine stepping on the scale and seeing the numbers go down week after week. Try Mitolyn risk-free and experience the transformation for yourself. Take the first step towards a healthier, more vibrant you. Imagine achieving your weight loss goals without the crashes, cravings, or side effects of traditional products. Mitolyn makes it possible to enjoy a healthier lifestyle without the struggle. That's what Mitolyn can do for you. It's not just about losing weight, it's about gaining a new lease on life. Ready to take the next step? Your journey to a healthier, happier you starts with a single decision. Head over to our website now to learn more about the science behind Mitolyn and claim your risk-free trial. This website is packed with information to help you make an informed decision. Your journey to a healthier, happier you starts today. Thanks for watching. We can't wait to hear about your success story. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more health and wellness tips. Stay connected with us for the latest updates and special offers. Stay healthy, stay happy, and see you next time. Your health journey is just beginning, and we're here to support you every step of the way.